VPP withdraws Marbiang Nongse's candidacy over coal trading allegations. The Voice of the People's Party, led by Ba Arden Miller Basaimot, withdrew its nomination of Ba Marbiang Nongse as a candidate for Nongstoin following the circulation of a video and image showing him congratulating Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma after securing a mining lease in 2021. The party expressed concern about the potential impact on its image due to Marbiang's alleged involvement in coal trading. The decision sparked protests during a public meeting in Nongstoin on January 15, 2025.
Mining lease hagataga por bagataga video ka day na uslam at way kani ka video ka bami kan bu jinge ya ka party namani soto bagaton ka jing pen up shrip yang ikong ka party larangi pakla.
A consultative meeting was held